Hello everyone, here's Evita again. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my soil pile is still there. It was raining again a lot last night. I can probably do some from the sides. Just work a bit here today. I hope it's not too wet. And I will show you around what I did the last few days. And if you'd like, please join me, and as always, enjoy the video. Very warm, but it's raining all the time. So we have clay soil here, and I keep amending the soil with some compost and sand, so it really gets better over the years. So I already used all the bags of soil I bought, and it's not enough. I really need that soil pile. But anyway, I'll finish this area so I can at least plant some of my seedlings already. I can still transfer them when I'm finished cleaning the whole area here. But they really have to go in the ground now. I got finished with half of the entire area here that I'd like to clean. So tomorrow I can start planting my seedlings. I started planting my seedlings, and I'll continue. In a few minutes, I'll just drink a cup of coffee. Then I'll continue cleaning my soil pile. It's really dry right now, so it's easy to just chop them up and take out the roots. I planted some seedlings here a few weeks ago, and a few liatris on the right that the snails and slugs keep eating. So one has managed to put out flowers, or at least flowering buds. I hope they won't climb up there and eat it up again. Anyway, I have some zinnias here, some pincushions, and a few poppies. These are Zinnia Green Envy. And yeah, I hope they'll survive. I have some statice along the edge here, 2 wallflowers, and a few pincushions. So I will continue planting all kinds of seedlings. I have spider flower plant, flamenco zinnia. I have giant California mixed zinnias to the right that I planted a few weeks ago. So this is the plan. I would like to just divide these plants little by little, and I will be transferring them in every corner of this area until they're all covered with this plant. It's growing really fast because I only had like I think 1/4 of this plant here last fall. So it really covered the area very fast. I will be doing that little by little, but for now, this area will be full of annuals, flowering plants. So this is how much I was able to do yesterday and the last 2 days. So I planted most of my seedlings already, and I also scattered some seeds, and still hoping that they'll germinate and put out some flowers. I decided to put some garden fabric over here and just put some mulch. So I will have some space to just water the annuals here on the right and on the left side. I have 5 echinaceas along the inside border where I'd like to put a garden fabric to create a walkway. And these 5 echinaceas came from one pot that I just bought 2 days ago. They didn't look good at all, and it was 50% off. So I only paid €8 for a big pot, and I just divided them into 5 plants. Echinacea is actually very difficult to grow in my area because of the slugs. But when I managed to grow one, it's really beautiful, and I love them. And they put out flowers all summer long until early fall. So when I saw this, I just grabbed it. These are flax flowers that I sowed, I think 3 or 4 weeks ago directly. And I also have some cosmos, pink flowering cosmos. And I already transplanted some flamenco zinnias that just started to put out the flowers. They're quite small, but they'll probably be putting out bigger flowers now that they are in the ground. Another zinnia, it's the California giant mix. So there will be different colors here, from orange to bright pink, pale pink. Yeah, I'm quite excited, guys. hopefully I'll get finished. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now.